Okay, I'm making my coffee here, and I generally put like, monk fruit and coffee and ginger and turmeric and some different things in here, some protein powder and stuff in here. And I just have to tell you about this little frother here. I've had it for about 4 or 5 months here, and yesterday was the first time I had to recharge it. It's a little rechargeable frother here, and it's been, well, let's see, it was August I got it, and this is January, so September, October, November, December, January. So probably 4.5 months or so since I've charged it. And yesterday was the first time I had to charge it. I was making my coffee, and I hit the little button here, and it ran for about 4 or 5 seconds, and then it stopped. So I had to charge it up before I could finish stirred up my coffee stuff here. And so I only put a little bit of water in there, and then get it all mixed up here, and then I add the rest of the water, because otherwise it'll come out the top of the cup. But anyway, just wanted to tell you how good that works, and that like I said, you charge it up once every 4 months or so. That's pretty good. So anyway, just wanted to tell you that. So pretty cool. They sent this to us so we could show it to you. And like I said, I've had it been using it every day, at least once a day, and sometimes twice a day, depending on how many beverages I have. So anyway, good stuff.